How to return Savana products. Now, in this video, I'm going to provide you methods, steps, or additional information on how you can return Savana products. First is once you pull up Savana application, ensure that you are using the latest version of the app so that you will not encounter any problem while doing the refund process. So at the lower right, you should be able to see Me. Just simply choose on the Me tab. And before doing your refund process, ensure that your account has already been verified. Now, under Help Center, just simply go into Return Policy. And before processing anything, make sure that you fully verify and understood their return policy terms and conditions. Now, once you've received the products, you will see options on rating the product or returning the product. Make sure that returning option is available and make sure as well that the option of the reason of returning the product is accurate. Then here, the process of returning the product's request is to provide them specific photos or the receipt that you have fully received the product. Wait for the Savana customer service to get back to you so that you could get your refund or to return the item. And that is how you return Savana products.